This is the heart of my system. Right here is the sump tank. So what happens is water is pumped up. Let's see if I can find show you better here. The water is pumped up to the top and fills these beds, which are filled with red lava rock. And the red lava rock goes practically to the top here. When this is full, then it starts to flow over the top of this pipe and drains back down into the sump. And as you can see, it's weeping right now. It goes in much faster than it comes out. And this happens several times a day, and that keeps the lava rock moist. So the nutrients come from the bio-enriched water down here, fills these beds of red lava rock that stay moist throughout the day. But this water also flows into this it's called a bunker, a feed bunker. It's just like a cattle trough. And so I've got some let's see, watercress and Oxalis triangulata. Now this is actually separate. It doesn't have water flowing into it, but it's a wicking area also. I like to have fun with it. I've got cattails, and I've even got a prickly pear cactus, which has been here since 2015, and I recently cut it down because it was getting so tall. It was about 3 feet tall. I was afraid the thing was going to fall over on me, so I cut it, and I started it, and I cut it, started a new plant from the cutting, and then I put it out in the front, so it's out in our front yard. And it also feeds this earthen bed. So the water flows in from the top, but it goes directly to the bottom. And so it's like a river that flows underneath of the soil. And I will come over here and show you. Okay, I'm going to show you how the earthen bed works. If I can get a good shot of this. Hopefully you can see that. It's so bright out here I can't really see my screen. But there's a water level in there about 4 inches. And then there is an air gap. You can see like it's lighter. And then the soil starts. That water, which isn't flowing in this system right now, well, it comes from this sump tank here. And so it flows into the top, but there's a pipe that goes directly to the bottom. It doesn't flow through the soil at all. It goes directly to the bottom, and then drains back out into this sump tank. So it's like a river flowing underneath of the soil, and it keeps it perfectly moist. Strawberries really love it. Because strawberries don't like wet roots. They don't like to be on wet soil, and this soil is dry on top. Oh, here's another little interesting thing. So this tube it also goes to the bottom, but it's got holes. And what I do is I fill it with, I'll be pulling weeds, and I just throw the weeds down in there, and the worms eat it. Yes, there's worms in here.